asshole, man.
That's messed up.
That's messed up, man.
You guys are trying to do like cool movements now? What the fuck?
Yo, get up. Elbow straight.
Oh, what the heck? Oh, here we go. Super close, man.
Oh, are you kidding me?
Oh, that's not fair!
I pushed you off the ring.
That's not fair! I had it, look at that!
Hey, look at this, look at that.